In this video, I will be showing you how to use Grok voice mode. Let's get started. First, I open a new tab in my browser and go to the search bar. I type in Grok and press enter to look it up on Google. From the search results, I click on the first link for Grok to open up the platform interface. Now that the main dashboard is loaded, I navigate to the text input field that says "What do you want to know?" I click inside the box and wait for it to activate. Once it initializes, I move my cursor over to the right side of the input bar and click on the small waveform icon to enable the voice dictation mode. A browser prompt pops up asking for microphone permission, and I click the button to allow access while visiting the site. With the microphone successfully connected, the text field changes and asks what's on your mind. I speak into my microphone and say, "I'm planning to improve my daily productivity." Create a simple morning and evening routine that helps me stay organized, focused, and healthy. Include practical habits that are easy to follow for beginners. I wait a brief moment for the speech recognition to process my voice, then click the checkmark button on the right to send the request. Grok starts processing the prompt, and within a few seconds, it generates a comprehensive morning and evening productivity routine with actionable steps right on the screen. I scroll through the response to review the schedule. To hear the response read aloud, I click the four-dot icon under the text to open the advanced option menu, and then I select Read Aloud. The voice assistant begins reading the breakdown of the morning routine. I listen to the playback for a moment.
Morning routine, 30 to 45 minutes. A calm, consistent start builds focus and momentum without feeling overwhelming. 1.
And then I click the pause icon to stop the narration. Next, I want to turn this response into a downloadable file. I click on the input box again and type, "Turn this routine into a printable daily checklist with checkboxes and time slots." I click the send icon to submit. Grok begins processing the request, loading its internal tools to construct a document layout. After a short wait, it finishes building a clean, formatted daily productivity routine checklist complete with time slots, structured tables, and organized habit tips. To download this file, I move my cursor over to the preview window and click on the Maximize button in the upper right corner to see the full layout. Now I can see the beautiful two-page layout clearly. I go to the top right corner of the document preview and click the download button. A pop-up appears showing the file name, and I click on it to open it up in my browser's PDF viewer. Now I can easily scroll down, review the formatted checkboxes for both routines, and print it out to use for my daily planning. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.